Hey people, so it is 8:20 in the morning and I'm all dressed and ready, though it's a weekend, because actually the original plan was my cute little adorable kid and me, we were planning to go fossil hunting. I mean, basically just step out just to basically it's also it's been so long. Yeah, I mean, there are people who go on morning walks and all. I've not done any such thing ever since all this pandemic and all, but I just felt my child and me, we keep plotting and we decide, like we'll wake up at 5 a.m. and all, and we wake up and stare out of the window at the open sky. That's what we do, or we sit in the balcony. But today we were actually planning to step out, but as you can see, this young man is still asleep, and even I just realized I'm looking a bit stressed in my videos, which is true to some extent. I don't know what. There's a certain amount of tiredness, like of late. There's a lot of repair work happening, and see now my ceiling is all. It was yesterday whole day we had these people come over and do up the ceiling. So no, and also it was occurring to me that whether or not I should actually make these videos, but I think I'll speak about it in my next video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.